So lately I've been looking to buy a handheld, and out the market we got the ROG Ally, Logitech G Cloud, Steam Deck, of course we got the Nintendo Switch, the big one, the OLED, the Lite, but they all got the same problem, the price. The price, they all roughly run around 100 to 300, sometimes even more, and I'm not too sure I want to spend that much money in something that I don't know if I'm gonna use today. This is maybe the solution, the backbone one for your phone. So basically this is just what it looks like. It's a controller, plug and play for your phone. iPhone over here, this is the iPhone version with the lightning port, but of course you got the Android version as well with the USB-C. This is my iPhone 11 over here, and it's as simple as plug and play, and you are straight into gaming mode. Now let's talk about the design in general, because the design is very similar to an Xbox controller. Xbox controller, you got the thumbsticks offset, same with the backbone one over here. Thumbsticks, they are offset, and I think this is the right way to have the thumbsticks, just to let you know. But then you got your typical Y, X, B and A, reminiscent to the Xbox controller as well. You got a D-pad over here, and then you got a couple extra buttons that they are for the backbone app. So you got the backbone menu button over here, you got another menu button, you got the screenshot, and you got the optional button over here. And of course, at the back, you got L2 and R2, L1 and R1. And these are not just simple buttons. So the two top ones, the L1 and R1, they are clicky buttons. But the two on the bottom, they are very similar to, of course, an Xbox. They are actually potentiometer triggers. So if you're playing a racing game, it's not just an on and off, you can feel the car going at the speeds that you want, basically. But overall, the design is incredible. If you are used to using your Xbox controller or even Nintendo Switch, this is the way to go. And what you can do in this thing is just play anything. So you can go from Steam Link to PlayStation, Xbox Cloud, you can use Apple Arcade, you can use Amazon Luna. You were able to use Google Stadia, RIP, Google Stadia, another Google project gone. But this is fully compatible with, again, any device. If you got Android devices, it's fully compatible literally with all of them. With iOS, you can go from the iPhone 6s all the way to the 14 Pro Max, the latest one that they got now here. But overall, it's super easy to use, just a simple plug and play, and you got a whole handheld, well, in your hand, using your phone. But apart from what it does and overall ports, because this will drain the battery on your phone, of course, you're gaming all the time using your phone. Don't you worry, you got pass-through lightning over here, and of course, for the Android version, you got USB-C at the bottom, and you also got a headphone jack, so you can just plug this into any headsets that you got, and you are just ready to go. This is a quick first impressions on the Backbone One handheld device. Give it a go. But thanks for watching. I'm CheCo Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Adios. Let's play some games.